I was born in 2004, so I'm gonna do my best. I'm not sure how it's gonna go though. I don't know. I don't. Spice Girls. I never heard of the Spice Girls. That's an alarm clock. Yeah? But you have seen an alarm clock that looks like that though. Like in the hotels. I know. But it's a CD player. Okay. Silly bands. That's more my speed. I don't know. Friends. I think I did know that. I probably did know that, but a projector? I mean, I guess it looks like a projector, but I've never seen that. Instagram. Easy.
Have you ever used Instagram when it looked like this?
No. I don't think I had a phone when Instagram looked like this.
As if.
Clueless? Me. Is that like one of those, is that like a game? Like those little games? Or is it like a SIM card? I don't know. A floppy disk? What is that? I don't know what that is.